everyone. Welcome back to the podcast.
This is where we talk about real life in simple English.
No teachers, no pressure.
Just honest conversations.
My name's Alex. I'm from Chicago in the United States.
And I'm Emma. I'm from Seattle. We're really happy you're here with us today.
Yes, thank you for listening. Maybe you're drinking coffee, maybe you're on the bus.
Or maybe you're studying English in your room. Wherever you are, welcome.
Today, we're going to talk about something very useful, very simple.
Yes, very, very useful.
We're going to talk about how to use I'm going to for future plans.
See? Alex already used it.
Oh yeah, I did. I said, we're going to talk about.
That's right. So today we will practice this structure in a very natural way.
Not grammar rules like in school.
Just real life.
Okay, Emma, before we start, how are you today?
I'm good. I'm a little tired. I didn't sleep very well last night.
Oh no, why not?
I stayed up late watching a show. I told myself I'm going to sleep early tonight, but I didn't.
That's funny. You made a plan, but you didn't follow it.
Exactly. That's life.
That's a perfect example already. You said, I'm going to sleep early tonight. That's a future plan.
Yes, it's something I decided before the night came.
Good point. I'm going to is often used when we already decided to do something.
Right. So, Alex, what are you going to do today?
Let me think. After this recording, I'm going to go to the gym.
Oh, wow. Look at you. Healthy life.
I'm trying. And after the gym, I'm going to cook dinner at home.
What are you going to cook?
I'm going to make pasta. Simple pasta with tomato sauce. Nothing special.
That sounds good. See, listeners? Alex keeps saying, I'm going to.
Yes, because I already decided. I have a plan in my head.
That's the key. When you have a plan in your mind, you can say, I'm going to.
Emma, what are you going to do this weekend?
This weekend? On Saturday, I'm going to visit my sister.
Oh, nice.
And on Sunday, I'm going to clean my apartment.
That's not so fun.
No, it's not. But it's necessary.
So let's break it down very slowly.
Yes, slowly.
I am going to clean my apartment.
We usually say, I'm going to clean my apartment.
Right. We don't say I am in daily speech very often. We say I'm.
So repeat after us, slowly. I'm going to clean my apartment.
Good.
Now, Alex, tell me something you're going to do next month.
Next month, I'm going to travel to New York.
Oh, really? That's exciting.
Yeah, I'm going to visit a friend from college.
How long are you going to stay?
I'm going to stay for 3 days.
Wow, you see how natural this is?
Yes, we use it again and again when we talk about plans.
Let's make it more personal. Alex, when you were a child, did you say, I'm going to be something?
Oh, yes. When I was a kid, I always said, I'm going to be a firefighter.
Really?
Yes, I thought firefighters were so cool.
That's cute.
But now, I'm not a firefighter.
Life changes. What about you? What were you going to be? When I was little, I said, I'm going to be a singer.
A singer?
Yes, but I can't sing very well.
Maybe you're going to surprise us one day.
No, I'm not going to sing on this podcast.
Oh, come on.
No way.
That's another example. I'm not going to sing.
Yes, negative form. Very important.
So let's explain that simply.
Positive. I'm going to travel.
Negative, I'm not going to travel.
Question. Are you going to travel?
Very good. That's the basic pattern.
Let's do a small role play.
Okay.
I'll ask you questions about tomorrow.
I'm ready.
Are you going to wake up early tomorrow?
No, I'm not going to wake up early. It's my day off.
Lucky you. Are you going to check your emails?
Yes, I'm going to check them in the afternoon.
Are you going to cook breakfast?
No, I'm going to order food.
Honest answer.
Okay, my turn.
All right.
Are you going to exercise tomorrow?
Yes, I'm going to go for a walk.
Are you going to watch TV?
Yes, I'm going to watch one episode of my favorite show. Only one.
Only one?
Okay, maybe two. Let's talk about feelings. Sometimes we use I'm going to when we are angry,
Oh, yes, like, I'm going to tell him the truth.
or I'm going to quit my job.
Have you ever said that?
Thinking, yes, one time.
Really?
I was very stressed. I said, I'm going to quit, but I didn't.
So it was an emotional plan.
Exactly. Sometimes we say, I'm going to, in the moment.
That's important. It can be a quick decision.
For example, it's raining outside.
You look outside and say, oh, it's raining. I'm going to take an umbrella.
You just decided.
Yes, you didn't plan it yesterday.
Good point. Let's compare something simple.
Okay.
I will call her and I'm going to call her.
For beginners, don't worry too much. Both talk about the future. Yes, but often I'm going to sounds like you already decided.
Right, it feels more planned.
So, Emma, tell me 3 things you're going to do this year.
This year. Okay, I'm going to save more money.
Good goal.
I'm going to read at least 10 books.
Wow.
And I'm going to travel to another state, maybe California.
That sounds fun.
What about you?
I'm going to exercise more.
You always say that.
I know. But this time I'm serious.
Okay.
I'm also going to spend more time with my family.
That's nice.
And I'm going to learn how to cook better.
Good. Maybe next time you're going to cook for me.
Maybe I am.
Listeners, now it's your turn. Think in your head. What are you going to do tomorrow?
Say it out loud, even if you're alone.
For example, I'm going to study English.
I'm going to practice speaking.
I'm going to watch this podcast again.
Good idea.
The more you repeat it, the more natural it feels.
Before we finish, let's share one small personal story about plans.
Okay.
Last year, I said, I'm going to wake up at 5 a.m. every day.
Oh, wow, that's early.
Yes, I was very motivated.
And?
I woke up at 5 a.m. for 3 days.
Only 3?
Only 3. Then I said, I'm going to sleep more.
That's honest.
The lesson is, it's easy to say, I'm going to.
But it's harder to do it.
Yes, still, making plans is important.
And speaking about your plans in English is great practice.
It makes your English real.
Not just grammar in a book.
Real life, real thoughts, real future.
So today we learned how to use I'm going to.
For plans.
For decisions.
For promises.
And even for emotional moments.
Try to use it today.
Tell a friend, I'm going to call you later.
Tell yourself, I'm going to practice English every day.
And maybe you're going to reach your goals.
We believe in you.
Yes, we do.
Wait, Emma, before we really say goodbye, can we continue a little more?
Of course. I was just about to stand up.
Sit back down. We're going to keep talking.
Okay, I'm going to stay right here.
Good. I feel like we can practice I'm going to in more real-life situations.
Yes, because in daily life, we use it all the time.
For example, when we talk about tonight. Emma, what are you going to do tonight after dinner?
After dinner, I'm going to take a shower.
Very normal.
Then I'm going to watch a little YouTube.
What are you going to watch?
I'm going to watch cooking videos.
Are you going to cook something new?
Maybe. I'm going to try a new chicken recipe tomorrow.
Oh, wow, you're brave. When I try new recipes, I get nervous.
Why?
Because I always think, what if it's bad?
Then you're going to order pizza.
Exactly. See? That's another future plan. Backup plan.
That's smart.
Let's imagine a different situation. You just got a text message from a friend. The message says, "Can you help me move this weekend?"
Oh, no.
What are you going to say?
I'm going to say, yes, I'm going to help you on Saturday.
You're so kind.
Or maybe I'm going to say, I'm sorry, I'm going to visit my sister.
That's honest, too.
Sometimes we use I'm going to explain why we can't do something.
Yes, like, I can't come. I'm going to work late.
Or I'm not going to be home tonight.
That's very common.
Let's talk about something fun, vacations.
Oh, yes, I love vacations.
If you have a long holiday next year, where are you going to go?
I'm going to go somewhere warm, maybe Florida.
Nice. What are you going to do there?
I'm going to swim, I'm going to relax on the beach, and I'm going to eat a lot of good food.
That sounds perfect. What about you? I'm going to visit a small town. I want peace and quiet.
No big city?
No, I'm going to leave my phone at home.
Really?
Okay, maybe not at home, but I'm going to use it less.
That's a good goal.
You know, sometimes I'm going to helps us feel motivated.
That's true.
When I say I'm going to wake up early, I feel strong.
Even if you don't wake up early?
Even then.
I like that.
Let's try something. I'll say a situation, you make a sentence with I'm going to.
Okay, I'm ready.
You're hungry.
I'm going to make a sandwich.
Good. You're late for work.
I'm going to take a taxi.
You're tired of your messy room.
I'm going to clean it today.
Very good.
Okay, my turn.
Go ahead.
You feel sick.
I'm going to see a doctor.
You have a big test tomorrow.
I'm going to study all night.
You win the lottery.
I'm going to buy a house.
Only one?
Okay, I'm going to buy a house for my family, too.
That's sweet.
See, listeners, this is how you practice.
Simple situations, simple sentences.
You don't need difficult words.
Just clear ideas about the future.
Also, remember pronunciation.
Oh yes, very important. Native speakers often say I'm gonna.
Right, not I am going to.
It sounds like I'm gonna call you later.
But for learning, it's okay to say I'm going to.
Yes, speak slowly and clearly.
Later, when you feel comfortable, you can say gonna.
Let's say it slowly one more time. I'm going to.
I'm going to practice English every day.
I'm going to believe in myself.
That's powerful.
Sometimes learning English feels hard,
Yes.
but you can say, I'm going to keep trying.
And that sentence alone can change your mindset.
Exactly.
Before we really finish, Emma, what are you going to do right after we stop recording? I'm going to make a cup of tea.
That sounds nice.
Then I'm going to sit by the window and relax for a few minutes.
I like that image. Very peaceful.
What about you?
I'm going to stretch my legs. We've been sitting for a long time.
That's true.
Then I'm going to text my friend about dinner.
See, even small things are future plans.
Yes, big plans, small plans.
All of them can use I'm going to.
So, friends, before you leave this video, say one sentence.
Just one.
I'm going to, and finish it.
It can be simple.
I'm going to smile today.
I'm going to drink more water.
I'm going to study 5 new words.
Little steps are okay.
And step by step, your English is going to improve.
That's a promise.
Now, are we really going to say goodbye?
Yes, this time we are.
Okay.
Thank you for spending your time with us.
We're going to be back with another simple, real conversation soon.
Take care.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.